Centrifugal pumps are the most common pumping devices in the hydraulic world. At the heart of the system lies the impeller. It has a series of curved vanes fitted inside shroud plates. The impeller is always immersed in water. When it rotates, it makes the surrounding fluid rotate too. This imparts centrifugal force to the water particles, moving them radially outwards. Rotational energy is transferred to the fluid. At the discharge side of the impeller, both the pressure and kinetic energy of the water rise. At the suction side, water is displaced, creating a negative pressure. This low pressure helps suck fresh water into the system, and the process continues. The vanes inside the impeller are backward curved. If the pressure at the suction side drops below the vapor pressure of water, a dangerous phenomenon called cavitation occurs. The water boils, forming vapor bubbles that can spoil the impeller material over time. A higher suction head requires lower pressure at the suction side to lift water, which limits the maximum suction head a pump can have. Careful pump selection is needed to avoid cavitation. The impeller is mounted on bearings. It's not advisable to fit a bearing on the suction side, as it would block the flow.
We thank Kirloskar Brothers for their technical support and creation of this video.